I have a Harbor Freight Arbor Press, and those of you that have one know that this is what they use to lock it down and then to release the ram so that it'll go back up. And you have to get a wrench or something to do that, or you can do it with your fingers, but it just kind of, it's tough on your fingers. So I made a new hand wheel for that, and this video starts with me pouring that pattern in aluminum and then machining it and painting it to put onto the ram. All right, let's get started. All right, here's half the pattern for the hand wheel. Looks good. All right, I got it loaded up and I'm just going to drill out to put the stem for the valve seat in there. All right, so here's our painted handle, and I'm going to take the bolt that I made. Now, I could have used the one that came out of it, but I would have had to have ground all this off, and then I would have only had about that much up in there. Which, you know, if I didn't have a lathe, that's exactly what I would have done. But since I had the option, I went ahead and made a longer one. So all I'm going to do is I'm just going to Loctite that in place. There we have it. We'll just let that dry. All right, so here it is. It's in there nice and tight from the Loctite. Let's screw it in and see how it does. Nice tight fit. And it bottoms out. All right, let's take it out there and give it a test. That's got it back installed on the press. And then to let it off. Oh yeah, I think that's going to be great. I really like that. Well, I hope this was interesting to you. Thank you for watching.